What is a priority list?
A priority list is a simple tool that helps you organize tasks by importance. Instead of just writing down everything you need to do, you arrange your to-dos based on what matters most for your long-term goals. This approach helps you spend your time and energy on what truly drives progress, keeping distractions and low-impact tasks in check.
Why use a priority list for long-term goals?
Long-term goals often require consistent effort over time. Without clear priorities, it's easy to get sidetracked by urgent but less important tasks. A priority list ensures you're always working on what will move you closer to your goals, breaking big ambitions into manageable daily actions and keeping your focus on the bigger picture.
How do you create a priority list?
Start by identifying your main long-term goals. Each day, list the tasks that will help you make progress toward them. Rank these tasks by importance and urgency. Focus first on the top priorities, the items that make the most significant impact. Be realistic about what you can accomplish, and adjust your list regularly as your goals evolve.
How can you make your list actionable?
Turn big goals into small, clear tasks. For example, instead of writing "get healthier," list actionable steps like go for a 20-minute walk or prepare a healthy meal. Specific, doable actions make it easy to track progress. Completing these tasks daily, even in small ways, keeps your momentum strong and your focus sharp.
What if you struggle to stay focused?
If you find yourself losing focus, revisit your priority list. Remind yourself why your long-term goals matter. Break tasks down even further if they feel overwhelming. Use reminders to review your list each morning. Celebrate small wins. Over time, using a priority list becomes a habit that guides your choices and helps you stay on track.